Welcome, dear friends, to English Redo channel. We're so happy you're here with us today. This is the place where we practice real English for real life.
Exactly. If you want to speak English more confidently, especially in daily conversations, you're in the right place. Today we have something very practical and fun.
Yes, Jack came to me with a question yesterday. Jack, do you want to share it with our listeners?
Sure. Hey Jessica, I need your help. Yesterday someone asked me, "What did you do yesterday?" And honestly, I didn't know how to answer.
Really? You didn't know what to say?
Yeah, I just said, "Nothing much." But the truth is, I actually did a lot. I just didn't know how to explain it in English.
Oh, I see. And you know what? This is such a common problem. Many English learners struggle with this.
Exactly. That's why I thought, wait a minute, maybe we should practice this together, step by step.
Perfect idea. Because talking about your day is super useful. You can use it in daily conversations, with friends, with classmates, even at work.
And also in small talk. Imagine you meet someone new and they ask, "So, what did you do yesterday?" You'll want to answer confidently.
Yes. So today's episode is all about learning to talk about your daily routine yesterday, today, and even tomorrow.
Let's do it.
Okay, Jack, let's start with the morning. Can you try to describe what you did yesterday morning?
Hmm, Let me think. I woke up around 7 a.m.
Good start. Try adding more details.
Okay, I woke up around 7 a.m. Yesterday was a busy day, so I didn't stay in bed too long. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and took a shower.
Nice. That sounds natural. Listeners, repeat after Jack. I woke up around 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and took a shower.
After that, I made myself some breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs, toast, and a cup of tea.
Great. Let's make a full sentence.
Okay. For breakfast, I had eggs, toast, and a cup of tea.
Perfect. Friends, notice how simple this is. Just use I had and then add your food. For example, I had cereal. I had rice. I had coffee.
That's easy to use every day.
Exactly. Now, Jack, what happened after breakfast?
After breakfast, I checked my phone. I read some messages from my friends.
Good. You can also say, I checked my email or I scrolled on social media.
Yeah, I think everyone does that.
True. And if you went to school or work, you can say, then I got ready for school. Or, then I left for work.
Okay, let me try a longer version. Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7 a.m., I brushed my teeth, took a shower, and had breakfast. I ate eggs and toast, and I drank tea. After breakfast, I checked my phone and read some messages. Then I got ready and left for work.
That's amazing, Jack. Very natural. Listeners, did you notice how Jack used simple past tense verbs? Woke up, brushed, took, had, ate, drank, checked, read, got ready, left.
Yes, simple past tense is the key for talking about yesterday.
Exactly. Okay, Jack, that was the morning. Now let's move on. What about the afternoon? What did you do after lunch?
Hmm, Yesterday afternoon. Oh, right. After lunch, I had a meeting at work.
Great. How can we make that into a full clear answer.
After lunch, I went to work and had a meeting with my team.
Perfect. Nice and simple. Listeners, repeat after Jack. After lunch, I went to work and had a meeting with my team.
Then I worked on some reports.
Good. Can you make a complete sentence with time order?
Sure, in the afternoon, I worked on some reports.
Exactly. Notice how Jack used in the afternoon. That's a great phrase to organize your story. You can also say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening.
That helps keep everything clear and natural.
Yes. Now, let's add more detail. What kind of reports were they?
They were sales reports. So I can say, in the afternoon, I worked on the sales reports for my company.
Nice. The more detail, the better. Now, what about after work?
After work, I went shopping.
Oh, interesting. Where did you go shopping?
I went to the supermarket. I bought some vegetables, fruit, and milk.
Great. Let's put that into a story.
After work, I went to the supermarket. I bought some vegetables, fruit, and milk.
Listeners, you can try it too. Think of something you bought yesterday. For example, I brought bread and cheese. Or, I bought a new shirt. Or, I bought a gift for my friend.
That's a very useful pattern. I bought, and then just add the item.
Exactly. And you can also use I went to. For example, I went to the bank. I went to the park. I went to the library.
Easy to remember.
So, Jack, what happened after shopping?
I visited my friend.
Oh, nice. What did you do there?
We talked and had some snacks.
Can you make a full sentence?
Sure. After shopping, I visited my friend. We talked for a while and had some snacks together.
Beautiful. Friends, repeat after Jack. I visited my friend. We talked for a while and had some snacks together.
I feel like I'm getting better at this already.
You are. You're learning how to connect your actions step by step. All right, Jack, let's move to the evening. How do we usually start?
Maybe with dinner?
Yes, exactly. So, what did you do for dinner yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening, I had dinner at home. I cooked pasta and salad.
That's good. Try making it longer.
Okay. In the evening, I had dinner at home. I cooked pasta and salad, and I drank some juice.
Perfect. And you can add who you ate with.
Right. I had dinner with my family.
Great. Friends, notice these easy patterns. I had dinner at home. I cooked. I had dinner with my family.
Super useful for everyday conversations.
Exactly. Now, what did you do after dinner?
After dinner, I relaxed. I watched TV for a while.
What did you watch?
I watched a movie. It was a comedy.
Awesome. Can you put that into a complete story?
After dinner, I relaxed. I watched a comedy movie on TV.
Nice. You can also add details like I watched a funny movie or I watched a football game.
Yeah, that makes it more interesting.
Exactly. After TV, did you do anything else?
Yes, I read a book.
Great. So we can say later in the evening, I read a book before going to bed.
That sounds really natural.
Yes, and notice how we use later in the evening. That helps us keep time order clear.
Got it. So my evening story could be, in the evening, I had dinner at home with my family. I cooked pasta and salad, and I drank juice. After dinner, I relaxed and watched a comedy movie on TV. Later in the evening, I read a book before going to bed.
Excellent. That's a perfect evening description. Okay, Jack. Now let's talk about bedtime. What time did you go to bed yesterday?
I went to bed around 11 p.m.
Perfect. And before that?
Before bed, I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Yes, those are common daily actions. You can also say, before bed, I prayed. Or, before bed, I checked my phone one last time.
Oh yes, I checked my phone too.
Let's make a final full story from beginning to end.
Okay, let me try. Yesterday, I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth, took a shower, and had breakfast. I ate eggs and toast and drank tea. After breakfast, I checked my phone and then left for work. In the afternoon, I worked on reports and had a meeting with my team. After work, I went shopping at the supermarket. I bought vegetables, fruit, and milk. Later, I visited my friend and we had some snacks together. In the evening, I had dinner at home with my family. I cooked pasta and salad. After dinner, I relaxed and watched a comedy movie. Later in the evening, I read a book. Before bed, I brushed my teeth and checked my phone. Finally, I went to bed around 11 p.m.
Amazing! That is a complete day.
Yeah, it feels so good to be able to explain it step by step.
And friends, you can do the same. Just follow this pattern. Morning actions, afternoon actions, evening actions, night actions.
And remember to use simple past tense verbs. Woke up, brushed, ate, drank, worked, went, visited, cooked, watched, read, went to bed.
Yes, these are the most common ones. If you practice them, you'll always be ready to answer the question, what did you do yesterday? All right, dear friends, that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Wow, we really built a full story together.
Yes, and I hope all of you practiced along with us. Remember, don't just listen, repeat, pause, and try to say your own sentences.
That's how you improve your fluency.
Exactly. And every day, take 1 or 2 minutes to describe what you did. It's simple, but very powerful.
Thank you for joining us today on English Redo channel.
We'll see you again next time with more fun and useful English practice. Bye-bye.
Bye.